What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Ryker TV. Today I'm just gonna show you a quick video of the actual finished product of the Airbox. So when it was off camera, because I was at home, I figured I wanted to make it look a bit cleaner, look a bit better. So while I was home, I took it apart. So I'm gonna show you what I did to this as the finished product. All right, so what I did is you take these two bolts out. They're Torx T15s. I don't know why, but the first time I took this apart, I thought that these bolts held on these clips, but it turns out they have nothing to do with them. I don't know why I thought that, because you could see that they have nothing to do with them. So when you take these little Torx screws out, they're Torx T15s. Let me just loosen this one a little more. Alright, so when you take those screws out, you can just pop that piece like I did before, and then the whole piece will slide out. Just like that. It slides out the back. And to permanently fix it, I actually went ahead and did the tape on the inside of the Airbox. This way, when it goes back together, you don't see anything from the top. And then when you put it back together, you just slide this piece in here. Sorry for all the noise in the background. Slide that piece in there, pop that piece right here back in, and as you can see, you can't see anything from the top now. But that cushion right there, I don't know if you can see it, that cushion allows it to rattle as much as it wants, and it doesn't make any noise after that. So that was the permanent fix on this one. I might actually go back in there. I need to buy some more of that tape, and I might actually go back in there, and instead of cutting it in half, I'll just put the entire strip just to make it a thick piece in there. But I might not. So far it hasn't made any noise since then, so just wanted to update you guys on how I permanently fixed it. So then once you get that stripping in, you just put these screws back in, tighten them up. Don't over tighten them because they're just going into plastic. You could strip out that plastic. Alright, so once they're tight, again, you just match that lip up with that lip. Clips back on, and now as you can see from the top, you don't see anything. It's nice and clean. I just didn't like the way it looked with some of the foam tape coming out further parts than others, so I wound up actually taking it apart. The other side, I'll show you the other side. The other side has it on this corner here, because that's where mine was making noise. This side is a little bit different to take off. So let me just get my helmet out of the way. So this side is a quarter turn screw here. Just turn it a quarter and it comes down. But this piece here is what was rattling on mine. Yours might not actually rattle here. I think they're all different, you know. Just depends on how the panels set on, because these panels are all plastic. Can be you know, different on each bike. Alright, so that side, that's as far out as I'm gonna keep it, just because I want to make sure that there's enough in between here. When I pushed it in a little bit too far, this rattle came back, so I wanted to make sure there was still some sticking out there to make sure that didn't make any noise. And then again, this side, there's nothing showing. So that's it, a quick update video to show you how I permanently fixed that. I might go back in and put thicker foam, like I said, in the future if it does wind up making any more noise, or maybe even they make this like rubber tape, so I might do that, but we'll see. So far it's been holding up, so hopefully it keeps holding up. So that's it, just a quick video. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.